Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can circularly copy text containing numbers by incrementing them. Let's explore the circular continuous number feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, and the text modification menu appears, then click on Circular Continuous Text. Select the text and press Enter. Press Enter to set the increment value to its default of 1. Set the value of digits to 1 as well. Type B on the keyboard, and press Enter to set the placement of number to back. Use the mouse to specify the center point. As you move the mouse, you can preview the numbers being incremented and copied circularly. At this point, you can use the angle option. Type A on the keyboard, and press Enter to activate the angle option. Enter 20 and press Enter to set the between angle. The command will finish once you click at the desired point. This is convenient for circularly copying by incrementing numbers. We have demonstrated using the utility feature in CADian CAD to circularly copy by incrementing numbers. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.